Oh yeah, she's running. Yeah, under there. I read Lawfield's, was it? Oh yeah, comment. And she thinks it's like a horror movie. The fan. You know, it does. That was funny. There's the side of it. This is the warning sticker on there. There's the back of it. Even though this thing wasn't original to the house, this house was built in 1978. Well, this thing's still great. Still good. I believe it's from the early 2000s. Pretty cool, isn't it? For all you air conditioner fans out there. Anyways, this is the Carrier. Oh yeah, this is the Carrier air conditioning, or conditioner, or whatever you call it, conditioning or conditioner. I'm not sure. And that's it.